guys, and happy holidays. Richard from Forsyth here in my new place. And tonight we're going to be replacing this old candelabra that Coconut is hanging out with from the 1950s, I believe, because this house was made in 1959. So this is a crazy looking old ceramic thing, and he just likes ladders, by the way. And it's hanging on this long chain from the roof in what appears to be some sort of old fashioned, because there's no junction box right there where there should be. I've already looked. And I've hit my head on this several times. I'm not a tall person, so for me to hit my head on it, that's saying something. So today we're going to try to replace it and see what we need to do that. Hey, ladder inspector, you want to jump down there, bud? I'd appreciate it. Okay, so I'm not unhooking anything electrical. That's why I still have this light on. You can see there's a ground wire running right here. And then this is very interesting to me. This big ring on this 3/4 inch looking threaded piece opens up to a 1/2 inch looking threaded piece. So there's a ground, but there's no real junction box. There's one of these. And I'm hoping I can use that to mount a new one of those. But we're going to see. It's going to be tough. Let me get you in here. Look. See that? This is still all roof. It's not filled in. It's just not textured. I may have to actually cut this and disconnect the ground and then take the whole thing down, whole chain and all. So let me go shut the breaker off and get started on that. Okay, I got my tester off the ladder. The power is cut to this area. I'm going to remove this fixture now. The easiest way to do that, it looks like, is to just cut these wires, including the ground wire, and then unhook the fixture from the bottom, which you guys can't see, but here it is. It's going down. We have this screwed in. I'm thinking this will come out, unless it's bolted into there somehow. Okay, this is an adapter, which is kind of useless for us right now. Get a screwdriver and see if this will come out. So far the only tools we've used, guys, is a Phillips head screwdriver and a pair of clippers. So you know what? I do need to get the wire out of this. There we go. Because that's going to have to come through here too. I don't see a junction box, so I'm hoping there's one in the roof. That's crazy. That's just a piece of conduit or something sticking out right there. So this is our old piece. Let's see if our new one will fit. This is our new one. Should be able to make that work. Now what this is it has a much smaller post than the old one. So this can't thread in there at all. So hopefully we hang this in the roof, we can thread our light fixture into it. This is so weird, guys. This is old school sheetrock too. This is not drywall up here. I don't know what's up with all this extra ground wire. Okay, so what the F is going on here? You never know what you're gonna find. That's amazing. Let me undo all this mess here and I will bring you guys back. Before we get back up there, this is the light fixture we're putting in a more modern design, some bubble glass, which I kind of dig right there. And that's going to be what's replacing this, and I shouldn't hit my head on that one. Okay, so there was a secondary lead that was here, and what we've done is we've gone ahead and capped that off. I don't know if that was originally going to go to another fixture, but it wasn't connected to anything. It was just here, so it's just capped off instead of electrical taped off. Anyway, all this goes through our little hole here. You can see that all through the hole. We're going to put our screws in to hold our new brace in. And connect our ground around our ground screw here up to that. I'm gonna go grab the light real quick and be right back. Always wrap around the way you twist the screw. So we'll be clipping that off later. Okay, now we just have to connect these two leads with our wire nuts. We're going white to white and black to blue. Always twist the wires in the direction you're going to twist your wire nut. Don't want any problems with that later. Make sure the wire nut grips all the way down onto the actual sleeve of the wire just a little bit. Now, this has these two little screw head things that once you push your screws through the holes of this plate, this metal plate, you can screw that down. You can put these on, but I'm gonna have to get some washers for them because I'm not gonna go far enough to cover our screws, and I can't back the screws out enough because this isn't a regular junction box. It is a weird through the ceiling sheetrock deal. Okay, I don't have any washers, but I have some nuts. I have some nuts that should fit over these and do the job. Nice. I love it when a plan comes together. All the way up there. Till we get our light fixture pretty much flush against the ceiling. I'm going to turn this, make sure it's tight. Not too many turns because we got wires in there. This guy's going to go on just like it's supposed to. Okay, let's get our bulbs in here. Okay, so our bulbs are these super cool LED bulbs that are glass but have little LED rods in there. And we have 3 of those going in this light. Okay, one of our bulbs was broken. Okay guys, I ended up finding 3 LEDs that are extra bright, which is what I want because I do want to shoot videos in this area. And they're LED light bulbs, and they're all 6-watt bulbs, so collectively we're looking at an 18-watt fixture, which is way better than 5 of those old school bulbs burning in that chandelier. And there's no way I'm hitting my head on this guy. So let me back everybody up and we'll take a look and see if it works and how it works. Alright, now for the moment of truth. Let's see if this works. Hey, check that out. Alright, cool. We got our new light fixture in. It's all LED lights this time. Way closer to the ceiling, so I won't hit my head on it. I think it suits the area. Let's take a step back. Alright guys, no more giant 50s fixture hanging down right here, because that's where it was. Obviously, that clears the old head. And it lights up the area in a, I think, video-friendly way. So, thanks for watching. Hope you guys learned something, and hope it makes you think that you can replace old fixtures and things in your house as well. I'm going to put this on Facebook Marketplace and see if anybody wants a crazy old ceramic light fixture. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you next time.